Wrinkles are natural, but premature wrinkles, that's something we can absolutely influence. If you're wondering which skincare products actually help prevent wrinkles, especially natural or gentle options, this video will break down the science behind what works, why it works, and how to build a simple routine that protects your skin long term. But here's the truth. Most people don't realize aging isn't just about time passing. It's about biological processes happening beneath the surface every single day. Today, we'll cover why wrinkles form, the most important product for prevention, natural ingredients that stimulate collagen, hydration science, antioxidants, and skin aging, and how to combine everything into a simple routine. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what to use, but why it works. The science of wrinkles. To understand wrinkle prevention, we need to understand what's happening beneath the surface. Our skin has three main layers: epidermis, the outer protective barrier, the dermis, where collagen and elastin live, and the hypodermis, the deeper fat layer that provides cushioning. Most wrinkles formation happen in the dermis. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps skin firm and dense. Elastin allows it to stretch and snap back into place. After your mid-20s, collagen production declines by about 1% every year. But that's just intrinsic aging, the natural aging process. There's also extrinsic aging, which is caused by environmental factors like sun exposure, pollution, smoking, and even high sugar intake. Here's something fascinating. Sugar can actually damage collagen through a process called glycation. Excess sugar binds to collagen fibers and makes them stiff and brittle. That's why diet can subtly affect skin over time. Then we have oxidative stress, free radicals, unstable molecules that damage skin cells and break down collagen. About 80 to 90% of visible skin aging is caused by sun exposure, not just time. A powerful example of this is identical twin studies, where one twin had significantly more sun exposure than the other. The sun-exposed twin consistently showed more wrinkles, sagging, and pigmentation, even though genetically they were identical. So wrinkle prevention really comes down to three things: protect collagen, stimulate new collagen, and maintain hydration. Everything we talk about from here fits into one of these categories. The most important product: sunscreen. If you use nothing else, use sunscreen. UV radiation penetrates into the dermis and activates enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs. These enzymes literally break down collagen. Think of MMPs like molecular scissors. When UV light hits your skin repeatedly, those scissors get activated over and over again. Over time, this leads to thinner skin, pigmentation, sagging, and fine lines. Broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher protects against UVB, which causes burning, UVA, which penetrates deeper and accelerates aging. Here's something many people don't realize. UVA rays can penetrate through glass. That means if you sit near a window at work or drive frequently, your skin is still being exposed. There are two main types of sunscreen. Chemical sunscreens absorb UV radiation and convert it into heat. Mineral sunscreens like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide physically reflect UV rays. If you prefer a more natural option, mineral sunscreens are often gentler and less irritating. Also, application amount matters. Most people use about 1/3 of what's needed. A helpful rule is two-finger method. Squeeze sunscreen along the length of the two fingers of your hand and put it on your face and neck. Without sunscreen, every other anti-aging product becomes less effective. You can stimulate collagen at night, but if you break it down every day with UV exposure, you're canceling out your progress. Let's talk about hydration and moisturizers. Hydration doesn't stop aging, but it dramatically improves how wrinkles look. When skin is dehydrated, fine lines appear deeper because the outer layer shrinks and loses flexibility. Humectants like hyaluronic acid and glycerin bind water to the skin. One molecule of hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This temporarily plumps the epidermis, making fine lines less visible. But hydration isn't just about adding water. It's also about preventing water loss. This is where barrier supporting ingredients come in, like squalene, ceramides, the natural plant oils. They reduce something called transepidermal water loss. If your barrier is damaged from overexfoliation or harsh cleansers, water escapes more easily and chronically. Skin loses its moisture and the aging is visible. You've probably noticed that in winter your wrinkles look more pronounced. That's because low humidity pulls moisture from the skin. So, hydration gives you immediate visible smoothing, while active ingredients work long term. Let's talk about antioxidants, fighting free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules generated by UV exposure, pollution, stress, even normal metabolism. They damage cellular DNA and collagen. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals before they cause harm. Vitamin C is one of the most researched antioxidants in skincare. It stimulates collagen production by acting as a cofactor in collagen synthesis, meaning your body literally needs it to build stable collagen fibers. It also brightens pigmentation and reduces oxidative stress. Niacinamide strengthens the skin barrier, improves elasticity, and reduces fine lines over time. It also reduces inflammation, which is important because chronic low-grade inflammation accelerates aging. Green tea extract contains EGCG, a powerful anti-inflammatory antioxidant that helps calm and protect skin. Think of antioxidants as your daytime armor, especially under sunscreen. Sunscreen blocks UV rays, but antioxidants help neutralize the damage that still sneaks through. Collagen stimulation, retinol and bakuchiol. Now we move into true collagen stimulating ingredients. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A and one of the most studied anti-aging ingredients. It works by increasing cell turnover and stimulating fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen. Over time, this thickens the dermis and softens fine lines. But here's what's happening biologically. When you apply retinol, it converts into retinoic acid inside the skin. Retinoic acid binds to receptors in skin cells and activates genes responsible for collagen production. This process takes time, usually 3 to 6 months, to see visible structural changes. That's why consistency matters. For those who prefer a plant-based option, bakuchiol has shown similar collagen-boosting effects in studies, but tends to be gentler and less irritating. Retinol can cause dryness or peeling at first, sometimes called the retinol adjustment phase. That's why starting 2 to 3 nights per week is important, and always use sunscreen during the day because retinoids make skin more sensitive to UV. These ingredients don't give instant results, but over months, they visibly improve skin structure. Peptides and gentle exfoliation. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that act as messengers. They signal your skin to produce more collagen and elastin. While results are subtle compared to retinol, they're excellent supportive ingredients. Gentle chemical exfoliation like lactic acid or PHAs removes dead cells, improves texture, and enhances product penetration. But overexfoliation damages the barrier, which can accelerate aging. If your skin feels tight, shiny, or constantly irritated, you may be overdoing it. Moderation is key. So, to summarize a simple routine, consistency beats complexity. You don't need 15 products, just the right ones used consistently. Morning, cleanser, vitamin C, moisturizer, sunscreen. Evening, cleanser, retinol, moisturizer. If your skin is sensitive, focus first on barrier repair before adding strong actives. Needless to say, wrinkles are natural, but premature aging is largely preventable. Protect collagen, stimulate collagen, hydrate consistently. The goal isn't to stop aging, it's to age with strength and intention. If you found this helpful, let me know your skin type in the comments and I'll try to find out the best solution for your issue. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and share. Thank you.